Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete page on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your page on your Facebook account, what you can do is just open up your Facebook, and after opening up your Facebook you have to open up your account with which you have created a page. So after opening up that account, now you can tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the three bar icon, just tap on see more and then tap on pages. After tapping on pages, now you have to select a page that you would like to delete. So just select a page that you would like to delete and then tap on switch. After tapping on switch, now you will switch to your Facebook page. After switching to your Facebook page, now what you can do is just tap on that profile icon or the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on settings which is also at the top right, and then in search bar you can search for delete. After searching for delete, you can find this option which is delete page and information. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, in order to delete your account you just have to change this option to delete page. So after changing to delete page, just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to select a reason why you would like to delete your Facebook page. So just select a reason that you like and then tap on continue. After doing that, now you can just tap on continue which is on the bottom, and then enter the password of that account from which you have created a page. So after entering that password, just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you will successfully delete your Facebook page. That's it guys, this is how to delete page on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for